We're at Zehr and we had a big nor'easter last night with dropping about 38 to 44 inches of snow, somewhere in that range. And our road is not plowed yet, so we're working on shoveling, but even if we get to the road, it really doesn't matter. We can't go anyplace. But we do have the piece of the truck showing, and you can see the van over there. And you can see how much is on the roof. So this shows you how important your roof structure is in the Northeast, well, any place, but here you need to account for snow load. If they tell you 3 feet's the max, double it, because you never know what Mother Nature's going to throw at you, and she doesn't go by the books. So no matter what the code says, use your common sense and go above it, because you just don't know. I know everybody else is going to skimp and go to the code at the max, but that's really not the way to look at it. So I'm just going to walk around. I need to uncover my hot tub, because later on I'm going to need to get into the hot tub. So I'm going to work my way down there, and we'll do a little video tour as we go. So it's above my belt, and it's kind of slow going. And you can see the wood shop down there. Yeah, we're definitely above 40. I'm getting close to 48 inches here on height. Turn around, you can see the trench, and half of it's filled in already. So I guess we're not going to be doing any molding on this end of the house right away. Looks like we're going to have to stick to inside projects. That's okay. I have some ideas, and I have a frame I need to build for Christmas. I have about 10 days to do that, so I need to get that started. So I want to get it done and oiled and dried. So, see, the shop's looking great though. We have mainly hardwoods here. You can see the pine and the hemlock do have a lot of snow on them, but it doesn't bother the hardwoods. Doesn't stick enough to them. Well, you can start to see over there's the hot tub, and I cleaned it off twice last night. I think that was probably a waste of time. Looks like it's got just as more on it anyways. Maybe it helps some. Okay, so maybe this video is getting boring, because I'm only halfway over there. So kind of gives you a view. You can't really see how high the snow is. And a lot of it blew off the roof, but it's a lot of snow to shovel. Okay, gonna make it over the hot tub, clean it off for later on.